Given the Indian experience with IT, the product and tech was invented and operationalized somewhere else. We became the services vanguard for the whole world. For India, what is the model that you foresee as far as AI is concerned? Are we going to continue to be a data generating market for various engines, or will we also have some amount of success in product-led development?
I'd say yes. I think yes to both. I think there is an opportunity for us to drive both these agenda, including driving services. And I'll give you an example. I think the panel that was here ahead of us, they, I think Prabal from Zoho made some very interesting points. Number one, I think we are at a point now where bigger is not always better. We have this fascination of large language models. And I think initially there was a lot of hype around that. But we have always believed, and I think this is true for technology immemorial. Ultimately, any form of technology does have to get down to a point where it is affordable and it is consumable by the masses. And to do that, you do need to bring it down to a point where it becomes affordable for a lot of people to use. And this notion of small language models is exactly that. I think we have and we actually believe in this because I think even before some of the hype around small language models came about, we as a company had been already building those. And we actually have a firm belief that language models is not where we are going to compete. We actually believe that we should be democratizing language models, putting it out in open source, and letting people drive innovation by extending and expanding those models. So we have a significant opportunity in India where companies like BharatGen, for example, which is a recent startup that's been funded by MeitY and DST, they are building Indic models. So these are fit for purpose models for India. So as we move towards driving more Atmanirbharta in India, there is room for us to innovate the models that will be relevant for the India usage. In addition, I think where there is a tremendous amount of opportunity is to use some of the platforms that are available to drive business use cases that make it more relevant for Indian businesses to take some of these use cases and scale.
The question that we've seen over the last 3 or 4 decades of different technology evolutions is that we've done some amount of software development, we've done services fantastically well, and on hardware we have taken some steps in the recent past. Why would SLM succeed for us when we don't do the chipsets? We are only now taking baby steps in the data center era. So why would SLM succeed?
So I will tell you, chips, I think we're making progress with the semiconductor mission. I think there's a lot of promise that we have with chip development right here in India. In addition, I will tell you that India is also moving towards indigenous server development. As a matter of fact, we have contributed our power server IP to the Indian government. And there's work going on in IIT Madras right now where they're actually building the Shakti indigenous server that is built on RISC and power technology. So I think we are getting there.